So we're going to go ahead and walk you through updating the software in the PLCs. The same procedure will apply to both the 7-inch and the 4.3-inch screens. To start with, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your web browser and go to our site and go to the download section. At the bottom of the download page, you're going to need to download a couple of different things. First, the actual software to connect to the PLC, which is this link, and then depending on your model, either the 7-inch or the 4.3-inch screen, you'll download the actual program from there. And then once this is downloaded, go ahead and install it just like you normally would any other program. And when you're ready to go, you're going to want the PLC on and connect the mini USB cable between your computer and the back of the PLC. And then you're going to look for a program when you're ready to start. You're going to look for a program unit downloader, and you're going to right click on that, go to more, and select run as administrator. And then when the security prompt comes up, just go ahead and select yes. If this is the first time you're doing an update, once the program launches, you're going to go ahead and go to connection settings and then go over to this USB symbol, and you're going to want to install the USB driver so that your computer can see the PLC. This you only have to do once though. Some computers see it right away, others need this driver. So just go ahead and install that USB driver, and then once that's installed, you'll go here, open up your device manager, and under ports, common LPT, you'll expand that, and this is going to tell you what COM port that your computer is seeing the PLC on. So just take note of that number. So we're on COM 4. So now I'm going to come back over to the first tab here, and these are my connection settings. So I want to change, since it connected as COM 4, I'd want to select that there, leave the rest of these settings alone, and then click this Get OPLC Information. That'll just confirm that you are in fact connected to the PLC, and it'll show you the model, the hardware revision, and the operating system. If you don't get those numbers, there's a problem with the connection between your computer and the PLC. So once you've got that all selected, you can go ahead and exit there. And now you're going to select the program that you downloaded for either the 7-inch or the 4.3-inch screen. So wherever you downloaded it to, go ahead and select that program version, and it'll be here. It'll say waiting for execution. At this point, the only thing you need to do is click the run, and the download will start from there. It'll take about 15 or 20 minutes to complete the download to the PLC, and then when it's finished, it's going to go ahead and prompt you to restart the PLC. At that point, you're fully updated and ready to go. So when you're ready, just go ahead and hit the run command, and it'll establish connection, downloads in progress, and it's going to go ahead and download the program to the PLC. One thing to note though, while this is going, if you're working off a laptop, you either want to have your laptop plugged in or change your settings so it won't go into sleep mode. If your laptop goes to sleep, it will interrupt the communication between the computer and the PLC, and you'll have to start over at that point. So either have it plugged in so it won't go to sleep, or change your settings on that, or just every once in a while come over and hit the mouse so it won't go to sleep. But when this is done, like I said, it'll take 15-20 minutes, and then it'll reboot the PLC, and you'll be ready to go at that point.